guys, welcome to our channel. So we are back again with few job updates as well as some hackathons requested by you guys. And as you can see, Sanchita is back. So let's get started. So the very first thing is about hackathons. So we will be covering two hackathons. First is Semicolon Hackathon by SAP. So it's for batches of 2022 and themes and all are listed up here. The eligibility criteria is minimum 10-12 should be 60% above. Your undergrad CGPA should be 70% and above. And third year BTech, that is pre-final year, can participate in it. If you get first, second, or third prize, the company may give you a full-time opportunity or internships in that company.
So guys, next up we have this challenge from Myntra called HackerRank. The registration deadline is 3rd of October. Only 5 days are left, so hurry. It's also a very good opportunity for you to earn pre-placement interview for internship and full-time offers at Myntra. Coming to the eligibility, pre-final year and final year students pursuing BTech, BE, MTech or dual degree programs are eligible to apply for this across engineering colleges, of course. Students must be registering in teams of 2 to 4 members. So this is one thing that you should keep in mind. Apart from that, the phases and a few additional guidelines of the challenge is mentioned as below, so you can read about it. The link will be in the description box below.
Those who are preparing for GATE 2023, they must check out Unacademy's new batches for GATE and ESC 2022 and 2023. So the batches will start from today itself. People who are preparing for GATE 2023 must enroll for it. Just go to their website. The link will be in the description box below and register for your batches. You can use our code BSW10 for additional 10% off. So the next company is EY. It's offering a role of data analyst internship. So people from having bachelor's degree in computer applications, information technology or related disciplines can apply in it. They must be having 0 to 6 months of experience in data transform, ETL related fields, working on MS Excel and SQL, and they must have some sort of data analytics certification. The last date to apply for this job is 18th October.
Next, we have 2 job openings from ZS, that is the data science associate, and it's in Pune. Only few companies offer data science positions to like freshers. So this is a very good opportunity if you have good hands-on with machine learning or deep learning. As mentioned, here are the responsibilities that you'll be having. Do apply. The qualifications are as mentioned. You should be having a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science or statistics, and you should be having good knowledge of programming, that is Java, Python, R. And a few other details are also mentioned. You can come up and read through them. Coming to the next job offer, it's of a business operations associate, again in Pune. Now, yeah, your responsibilities include to understand client business issues, operating business rules, etc. So, coming to the qualifications, you should be having BOAs usually commonly possess a bachelor's or a master's degree in engineering. It could be any field. So, and a strong work ethic, ability to work across global cross office, etc. So, you can read about this as well. Apart from this, if you're applying for the business technology solutions associate position, we also have made a video on that in our placement interview experience series. So if you're applying for that position, I suggest you go through that video as well, as it will help you to prepare for that.
Link will be flashing up here, guys, so you can go and check it out. So the next job update is from Twitter. It's looking for 2022 engineers, new grads and early careers. That is, early careers means 0 to 2 years of experience, and the job locations will be as follows: Singapore, Sydney, Mumbai, Tokyo and Delhi. So the qualifications required for the company are: the person should be proficient in one of the coding languages mentioned, that is Java, Python, JavaScript, C++, familiar with standard software engineering methodologies, unit testing, code reviews, design documentation, basically Scrum, and ability to solve complex problems. Yeah, that's algorithm data structures. You just have to come here, upload your resume, and fill the remaining details and submit the application. The next job update is from Salesforce. It's looking for associate MTS, member of technical staff. The locations are Hyderabad and Bangalore. Also, they are offering the role of software engineering for to 2021 pass outs for full-time role. The person should be having 7 CGPA and above with no backlogs. The skills required are he or she should be proficient in one of the languages, Java, C, C++, Python, understanding object-oriented programming, data structures, algorithms, and should be strong in analytical and problem solving.
Next, we have an offer from Accenture. You need to fill up this registration form. Coming to the job details. So it's a direct hiring for the role of an associate software engineer, and the responsibilities are mentioned. And coming to a few preferred qualifications that they're looking for, you should have a basic understanding on ABAP development and working knowledge of J2EE and sort of a good exposure of .NET as well. Now, you need to fill up this form, which will ask you for a few of your personal details, some professional details, and your preferred job location as well. You need to upload your resume and all your other relevant documents, etc. And based on this, based on the details that you fill up, they'll be shortlisting you for further processes. So make sure that you fill everything properly. Next role is from HCL. They're offering the role of a software engineer or a software analyst. So the locations are as mentioned, Noida, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, etc. You can directly apply, and coming to the eligibility, so you should be having a BTech or an MCA or MSc degree with minimum of 65% marks in UG or PG, whatever you've taken up, and class 12th as well. Coming to the skills, they require people with good analytical skills and people having good hands-on on Oracle, Java, C++, Python, etc. The batches that can apply are 2018, 19, 20, and 21.
That's it, guys. These were all the jobs. All the link will be in the description box below. Do check them out. If you find it helpful, please do share it with your friends who are looking for jobs. And we also have our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. All the latest job updates, our blogs, our new placement interview series videos will be on Telegram first. And there is also a Google form attached if anyone is interested in giving interview experience on our placement interview series. They can fill the form and we will contact them. तब तक के लिए guys, take care and bye bye.